features offers unmatched durability, power, and ease of use. From compact and portable to a fully integrated hose, professional wand, and all the accessories. Quality features that get the job done faster. Convenient electric power means no gas, excessive noise, and virtually maintenance-free. With solid built-in components, cleanup is a breeze. AR Blue Clean's new S-Line has the right power washer for your demanding cleaning projects.
Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Brandon doing a quick review on the AR Blue Clean Model 390SS electric pressure washer. A couple things I want to show you here. You got your soap tip, rotary tip, 25-degree tip, and your 0-degree tip on the gun. Got your cord reel up here. Pretty nice. You got your soap storage for your soap. You got a reel up for your hose here. Pretty nice. Got about 30 feet of hose. Pretty good amount. You got your on and off switch. It is plugged in right now with the GFI adapter. You got your on and off switch here. You got your minimum and max for your detergent concentration for the amount of detergent you want coming out of the gun. First thing you want to do when putting this all together after you get it is you want to make sure, let me turn the water on here. So you want to prime it. As you can see here, this has already been primed. When you first go to prime it, you're going to have air coming out of it. Air, water, air, water, air, water. Until you get a full stream of water like this, you're ready to go once you get this full stream. Now that we're ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and turn this machine on. A couple seconds of run-up time. Fully ready to go. This is a 0-degree tip. As you can see, it has a lot of pressure. So like a pressure washer. Got a couple spots of paint over here that I dripped on here just to show you if you can't see them. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. Sorry guys if it's hard to see. It's pretty bright out here. But that was a demonstration on the 0-degree tip. Let me go ahead and change these tips here. Pretty sure you've seen the 0, the 25, and the soap. One thing I do want to show you is the rotary tip. This thing's pretty cool. I don't know if you can really see it. Actually, you can see it. You see the water rotating. As if you have some hard spots on the concrete. Obviously, with the 0-degree, we were able to take some paint off. I don't really have anything that's heavy duty to take off out here to demonstrate, but you can see the amount of pressure and the power this rotary tip has. This unit is about $239.99 at Home Depot online. They just did have a sale after I did purchase this thing for $219, so I was able to get the refund on that. But if you're looking to spend under $250 on an electric pressure washer, I really would recommend this. Nice unit. It's a very beautiful unit. I like the colors. If you guys are not too worried about what it looks like, then you won't be worried about that. But it's a pretty little nice unit. So yes, I do recommend this for electric pressure washer. I think it's your best buy for $250. And again, this is the AR Blue Clean Model 390SS. Thank you guys.
And we're gonna front the car next. It's gonna take an adjustment or two, but let's see how it goes. A little bit left. Let's knock it out.
AR Blue Clean's new S line of electric power